Welcome to the CarStar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.
For an even better appreciation of the differences between the current Model 579 and the new Model 579, take a look at the screen as the current Model 579 changes into the new Model 579. Quite a difference. New Model 579 has unmistakably bold Peterbilt styling. It features a new and more aerodynamic hood, new best-in-class headlights with optional LED headlights. It has an innovative multi-piece bumper that integrates the forward radar cover for collision mitigation and advanced driver assistance systems. The side mirrors are much more aerodynamic, and the redesigned and reimagined chassis fairings tip out for excellent serviceability. and optional rear fairings are also available to further enhance aerodynamic efficiency.
Thank you, Jason. Peterbilt's new Model 579 maintained the great qualities that make it a Peterbilt, like the high quality finish and durability of the cab, interior, and chassis, and the stainless steel grille that provides maximum protection for the cooling module and engine compartment, but also provides many great new features that further improves fuel economy, operational efficiency, and the driver experience. The airflow is enhanced off the windshield with the new aerodynamic A-pillar vanes, further improving fuel economy without impacting visibility. And the new aerodynamic cab mirrors also improve fuel economy and provide great visibility down the side of the tractor and trailer. They also house cameras for our new digital camera vision system. We will also continue to offer our full height aerodynamic cab mirrors for customers who prefer that option. The bumper is a durable three-piece design with an integrated radar cover, providing a high quality appearance as well as improving the airflow around the front of the vehicle. The Model 579 has best-in-class LED headlamps with excellent light down the road, as well as light distribution and uniformity for reduced driver fatigue. Infrared heaters, it ensures ice and snow don't collect on the headlamps. And as you can see, it has a very distinct LED daytime running light, so you know it's a Peterbilt when it's driving down the road. The new 579 hood is a durable three-piece design constructed out of meton, which is greater resistance to impact, reducing the opportunity for fender damage and reducing the cost of ownership. For aerodynamics, we lowered the top of the hood as well as narrowed the hood to improve the airflow over the top and around the sides of the vehicle. Those aerodynamic improvements were also incorporated into the bumper and the lower air dams. The lights in the bumper provide three functions: fog lamps, driving lamps, and cornering lamps. They automatically turn on with the turn signal in low light conditions, providing excellent light to both corners of the truck to help further ensure no accidents. 579 also has new safety features, including enhanced adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist features, making the 579 the most efficient, most comfortable, most safe vehicle on the road. The chassis fairings have been redesigned for fuel efficiency, but still maintaining great entry and exit out of the cab. And their tip-out features make it very easy to access batteries, as well as fuel tanks and APUs. They're easily removed for great access under the truck for serviceability. In addition to these features that you can see, the Model 579 also has a newly designed front chassis and powertrain, reducing noise in the cab by 10% and providing the driver with additional control and comfort as it's driving down the road.
The interior of the new Model 579 has been updated with richer colors and new, more luxurious optional wood trim. More importantly, Peterbilt is introducing a new 15-inch digital display, the largest in its class. This becomes the focal point for driver information, minimizing distractions while driving. Like I said in the intro to the video, an incredible new display. Many of the customers that participated in testing pre-production trucks had very high praise for the digital display you just saw. Today, we are also announcing that every conventional Class 8 Peterbilt truck will incorporate this great new digital display. This includes the vocational Model 567 and traditional Model 389, and the rest of the Peterbilt Class 8 conventional trucks.
Welcome to the CarStar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.